Today I'm reviewing the Kasa Smart Plug Mini. This is model KP115. I found this on Slick Deals for $3.49. It seemed to be some sort of promotion when you order through Alexa. So that's what I did. It came a day later. Normal price is $22. At first, I did not really know why I would need something like this, and you might not know either, so that's why I'm making this video. Pretty much is a glorified timer. Why would you choose this over a click timer? Some things that come to the top of my head. Click timers, they're not very reliable if you keep accidentally hitting these buttons, as I'm showing here. They do have electronic timers that have built-in batteries in case the power goes out, but if you leave it off long enough, it'll still drain. I decided to use this for my Christmas tree, and I think a lot of people can relate. Now that it's beginning of the holiday season, you might have lights strung around the house that you want to have a timer set to it. I have the box in front of me right now. It does have several features. It works with Google Home, Alexa, SmartThings. It has a slim design, so you can stack it on top of each other, which is nice. A lot of plugs these days have adapters. Power adapters are way too bulky. There's no hub that's required. You can control it anywhere from your phone, and it works with the home automation. It's rated for 15 amps, 100 to 120 volt, and it works on your typical 2.4 gig Wi-Fi. Unboxing and looking at this device is very simple. It really is compact, like they said. There's a physical on and off button if you want to control this plug manually. To get started, we're going to have to download the app on your smartphone. This is called the Kasa Smart app. Before you get any further, they're going to make you create a TP-Link ID account, which I'm doing here. Once you go back to the Kasa app, it's going to say that there's no devices yet. You're going to hit the plus in the corner to add a new device. We're going to choose the Smart Plug Mini. Then you're going to go to your phone's Wi-Fi settings. Very important, you're going to connect to the device's Wi-Fi. It's going to say TP-Link something. After that, you're going to return to the app. From there, it's going to ask you to connect to your actual home network. When that's completed, it's going to ask you to choose a friendly name. I'm using Christmas tree for this demonstration. After that, it might ask you to do a firmware update. So when all is said and done, I decided to give it a quick test. It definitely works. It's straightforward. I mean, it just has on and off, so there's not much that can go wrong. I then decided to do a quick torture test, which was just hitting that button on and off as quick as I can several times to see how responsive it was. And as you can see in the video, it was pretty responsive. This step is optional for those who have Amazon Alexa. If you want to link this to Alexa, you're going to start by launching the Alexa app. There's a devices tab on the bottom. You're going to select that. Next screen, you're going to select plug. Then you have to look for the manufacturer and product, TP-Link Kasa, which is near the bottom. Click next. From here, you're going to click enable to use. And once again, they're going to ask you to log into your TP-Link account. And here's a quick test of using Alexa for controlling my Christmas tree lights. Hey Alexa, turn off Christmas tree.
Okay.
Hey Alexa, turn on Christmas tree.
Okay.
Some features in the app I want to go over. I'm just going to focus on the plug. There's a schedule option. I'm using that for the Christmas tree. You could have 7 days on and off. You could pick which days, which times, and it seems you could do multiple on and off. One for weekdays, one for weekends, for example. There is a 24-hour timer. You could have this turn on or turn off after a certain amount of time. There's a away mode, which is great for people who are on vacation and they want to leave a light plugged in so that when people look from the outside, it seems like someone's at home. And the last tab, which I thought was pretty unique, is the energy. It has the usage and the runtime. It's pretty nice to know. Final thoughts, I really like it. It's a plug. It does what it's supposed to do. I don't know if you can still get this for the promotional price I got it for, but since this is the holiday season, I would keep an eye on it. I would definitely recommend it if you could get it for $3 or $4 like I did. Now, if you're asking me if I would pay $20 for this, I think I would. It does what it says it would. The response time is really good. And if you don't need too many of these timers lying around the house, it's definitely a great choice. If there's anything else you would like to see, let me know. If you found something useful in this video today, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.